Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Got my son Christian here for National Bring Your Daughter or Son to Work Day. He actually was able to help me work on this beautiful 1979 Porsche 930 Turbo. Really good client and friend of mine just picked this up. He's got a bunch of classic Porsches. Usually brings them in for updated radios. What we were able to do on this vehicle, because it's a 79, he wanted to keep the dash looking definitely more original. So we were able to install this Blaupunk radio. They make two versions of this. They have kind of a universal European look, and then they also have a more of a retro BMW style radio. So if any of you guys have an older European car and you want the radio to look older but have modern technology, this is a great solution. This radio has a little door here, which you can have an SD card and USB. It does have aux in as well. This radio has AM, FM, along with Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio. It comes with a remote, and you're able to even change the color. So you can go in and, you know, red, green, blue, purple, any color. You can fine-tune this thing to match the dash. So it's a really, really cool look for an older car like this. If you guys need anything like this, please give me a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.